Hi guys, so today is June 19th, which is a Monday, and it is currently 11:30, and I'm going to be making a small breakfast, which is just one packet of oatmeal and a few strawberries, because we're probably gonna be having lunch soon. Sorry if it gets real dark. I'm just grabbing the oatmeal. Got my oatmeal. Now I gotta get a cup and bowl. Cup is for the water that I'm going to warm up. And the bowl is for the oatmeal, which I guess you guys already kind of figured out because you're smart when you can't remember where bowls and plates are. Just goes through every cabinet in the house. There's plates. It was loud. That's Tupperware. Also Tupperware. Did I just miss? I probably just missed it. Nope. Oh, I'm just stupid and I missed it. So I'm just going to warm up some water and then I'll have my oatmeal. So that is my breakfast. I'm going to be eating that, and then I think we're going to go to Brooks, as I said yesterday, and I'm going to be getting my Father's Day present for my stepdad. Well, yeah, I'm going to be getting my Father's Day present for my stepdad, and I don't really know what else I'm doing. I know I'm probably going to be editing some more photos and, well, these vlogs, and I don't think anything else is happening, but if it is, I will continuously update you guys, okay? Well, for now, I'm going to eat my breakfast, and yeah. Hey, so, oh my gosh. Hey, so it's not much later, but we are going on a bike ride. Going on a bike ride to get my stepfather his Father's Day present, which is athletic stuff. So we're going to a store called Brooks, and we're going to get stuff there. Going on a bike ride. I don't know if my grandfather has gotten the bike out yet. Let's see. The bike is out. Oh, you can't even see that because I'm not in position. There is the bike. So I will be riding that bike to go get my stepfather his stuff. But we're going to be going soon, so I'm going to leave you here.
Old house, we say goodbye. Moving out, lullaby. Landlord said you would sell. We say fare thee well. just a little moving out lullaby. Landlord said you would definitely sell. So we say fare thee well.
Hi guys, so I'm finally back from all of the bike rides I've done. It is currently 5:07 and my new vlog is up. I'm currently watching that through because it was up. I put it up before I left, and so I'm just now getting back and I'm responding to comments on videos and comments on other things. And I'm going to start working on editing yesterday's vlog. Then I'm going to eat dinner, and I'm being brought hot chocolate. It's over there because that's where hot chocolate is drank. You probably can't see that because it's all the way over there. Yep, there's hot chocolate in the green-blue case. But that's there, so I'll be doing that soon. See, this is the new video. It's just chilling. I paused it so I can vlog and you wouldn't be too distracted by it. But yeah, so I'll be eating dinner soon-ish. Dinner is cooking, but it's been cooking since I left too, so I don't know. What else? Yeah, so that's kind of just my day so far. I'm probably gonna go outside and walk around because I've been on a bike. I was doing a motorcycle ride with my grandpa because he has a trike, and so I ride that every year. And we went down to a falls somewhere. I don't actually know because I don't live here. I don't know any of the names of any places I've been, but I have a clip of that I shot for you guys because I was like, I have my camera, I'm shooting, why not? I have some clips, so they're there. You have already seen them, obviously, but recapping, you know? It's kind of what I do. I'm kind of not talking in the moment. I'm kind of just like, hey guys, this is what I had done. This is what you've already seen. So I really hope you guys are enjoying these. I've probably said this a million times, but yeah, I'll update you guys later.
For people like us, the best love that we know how to give really doesn't amount to all that much, but you're always welcome to it. I will kiss your scars, remind you again that you now know love. Where you once knew pain, I will hold your hand until the last moon wanes. If it comes to it, I will love in vain. You're as foolish as I, still you love the worst of me. I return what I can with love's grace. We're clean, we will dance in the rain all night and day. In my arms you must stay, for there is no other way. To be warm when it's cold, I'll be a shelter from the storm. If you trust in my arms, together we will find a home. I'd stake my life on this love, for this love is now my life. All good comes from above, my darling, she shines in the light. Oh, whoa. Can't complete me, but damn if you were able. I'll be put together like a puzzle on the table, and I can't complete you, but damn right I'll keep trying. So damn we keep colliding, but damn I like your smile even enough to let you go so that you can fly away. I figure love is freedom, so I stopped trying to make you stay. But I might ask you to, if it feels like something I have to do. So some days I'm grasping you, but I'm only grasping half of you, and you're only grasping half of me. Both miss the complexities of one another, so I guess I just let you breathe. Yeah, I guess I just let you breathe, yeah. Guess I just let you breathe. I will kiss your scars, remind you again that you now know love. Where you once knew pain, I will hold your hand until the last moon wanes. If it comes to it, I will love in vain. You're as foolish as I, still you love the worst of me. I return what I can with love's grace. We're clean, we will dance in the rain all night and day. In my arms you must stay, for there is no other way. To be warm when it's cold, I'll be a shelter from the storm. If you trust in my arms, together we will find a home. I'd stake my life on this love, for this love is now my life. All good comes from above, my darling, she shines in the light.
I woke up in the dark, having dreamt I was in pursuit, piling on the circular talk, just like I used to do. I suppose it's serious love, the kind that just won't be snubbed, the kind of love that never dies, the sort of stuff that ruins lives. Burn the love dreams, burn them for safekeeping. Save the love dreams, save them on the garbage heap. If you lived here, you'd be home by now. If you loved me, you'd let on by now. Did you forget what you said? Did I misinterpret it? Vague and soft-spoken over AIN. 5 long years ago, feels like that in 20 some odd more. You said I'm sorry, but you are so beautiful. Burn the love dreams, burn them for safekeeping. Fill the love dreams, fill them while you're leaving. If you loved me, you'd be home by now. If you lived here, you'd have shown by now.
Hi, so it's currently 11:30 at night and I'm about to get ready for bed. I have recently just been editing today's vlog, which you will be seeing on, I want to say Wednesday. You'll be seeing this Wednesday, but it's not a Wednesday vlog. Today is not Wednesday, it is Monday, so you'll be seeing Monday's vlog on Wednesday because I'm slightly behind, but that's what my life is. The last clip you guys have seen is me dancing, and I just want to put this out there that 1, I was improvising, and 2, I'm not warm, and 3, I wasn't really trying. I was just kind of messing around, and I know I'm not the most flexible person, hence why my kicks aren't that high, my leaps aren't that great, but I'm working on it. I'm pursuing making myself better in dance. I know I'm not the top, and I'm working to get better. That's my goal, is to get better at dance. That's one of my passions I love to do. It's something I'm really trying hard to get better at. So I'm just showing you me dancing, even though I'm kind of insecure about it. I'm showing this because I know it's something that I do, and it's something that I love, and even though I'm not the best at it, I still want to share it with you guys because it is what I do in my life, and I don't want to be ashamed of it. I'm just putting that out for you guys. So I'm gonna go get ready for bed, so I'm gonna end today's vlog here. So I hope you all have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, and don't forget to remember that And don't forget to be yourself, because you're the only self you're ever gonna be. Bye.